Hi there. Are you sick of spending your hard-earned cash on beautiful full lace units from WowAfrican.com and you can't lay your damn lace? Well, you're in luck, because today I'm going to teach you how to lace fish.
What's up, what's up? What's up, what's up, what's up? Ladies! What's up, what's up? What's up, what's up, what's up?
Alright cousins, so I'm starting by installing my unit from WowAfrican.com. This is one of their kinky straight full lace units and the length is I believe 20 inches, but of course everything will be down in the description box. Off camera, I used my curling wand to give it some quick soft waves, but honestly, I am not the best when it comes to melting my lace perfectly because I have a really weird hairline. So I wanted to take this video to show you guys 4 easy ways to wear a full lace wig and hide the lace. So this is definitely beginner friendly. The first look is so easy that if you don't pay attention, you'll miss it. Watch this. Yep, that's it. The easiest way to cover your lace is to literally take some hair and strategically place it along the hairline where the lace shows. I also like to use a little edge control to make sure that it stays in place through wind and moving, but you also can use a little hairspray to freeze it in place as well. The second look is just as easy. Simply take a headband, scarf, or your favorite head turban and tie it around the hairline. I personally like to use scarves and I like to let a little peek of my part show through because it adds to the realistic factor to me. The third look gets a little more difficult only because you have to have what I would say a basic knowledge of flat twisting. You don't have to be the best, but you do need to know how to do it a little bit. But it doesn't have to be extremely neat because you want it to be fluffy and actually cover your lace. The main thing is that you want the twist to sit forward and not back so that it covers the lace. And now you have a really cute, carefree look. The fourth and final way I like to cover my lace takes the same concept as the last, but this time you're going to split the hair in the center and do a twist on each side. Again, making sure to fluff and cover the undesirable lace areas. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick hair lookbook, so to speak, and I hope they were helpful to those of you like me who may need to lace fish a little bit. Like, comment, and subscribe. All my OG cousins say what's up down below. Follow me on TikTok, okay? And I will see all you guys in the next upload.